How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create and publish list in Geometry Dash. So the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through your levels. In here, you want to click on this book icon. And if you want to navigate back, just click on the gear icon or the wrench and hammer once again. So to create a new list, click on new, and then I'm just going to name this hard bosses. And you could just go ahead and name this to whatever you want to. So it's going to be this one. From there, let's navigate back to levels. So let's simply search for one of the trending ones out there. Click on the view option. Click on your book right here that allows you to simply add it to your list. From there, let's navigate back to our list by clicking on something like list or create. Let's view our one of our lists right here. Let's say this one. And then to share it, just click on the share button and then share a list, and then you should be good to go. And if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.